So this is squad for the day. You see how it's white behind us? Yep. We are gonna hike. Yeah. We crazy. We local. Alright guys. So it's been 30 minutes and so far I've hiked 2 kilometers. And let me tell you, this is not easy, man. It's not easy. So I got Leonard in front of me. You can't see him because like I don't know how far he is, but I can track him. You can see his footsteps. And I got 2 of my niggas at the back. Not around, you can't see them either. So we are paced up all together. And I got a little snack cause, whew, yeah, this is worse than I anticipated. I did this hike in 2017 and it was during summer. And let me tell you, there's like a new trail. Whew, look at him. Whew, he's waiting for us. I guess he's tired. Man, this hike is not child's play during winter. Whew. Try. Am I gonna do this again? Yep. This is the part that I hate. So we got a 10. Look at how steep it is. If you fall, you fall. You slide on that door. Are you gonna wait for them? I don't even know. Alright guys, don't litter, okay? Do not litter on the trail, please. Alright guys, it's been 3.5 kilometers. We're getting up the elevation and it's actually starting to snow. It's dripping just a little bit. Yeah, it's going good regardless. I mean, we move anyway. We're gonna hike. I just made it to Mirror Lake. Mirror Lake. Yeah, it's happening. It's happening. Ooh. Yeah. This is really good. 3 kilometers. We have 1.4. Oh, that's not bad. Yeah. Alright, let's get moving. Look at how beautiful this tree is. I wish my phone could see it through my eyes. Alright, we made it guys. This is the view. What was the elevation?
2,136.
We crazy.
Yeah.
This man got a whole lunchbox, man. Eat. Shit. He prepared for this shit. But I'm just a savage. David Goggins, I'm doing this for you. Hashtag can help me. Woo. It's snowing guys. I don't know if you can see. My phone is trash, so whew, my hands are cold, huh? Climbing up here, I had to use my hands too. So I'm frozen. You get it, boy? Get
Come on, old man.
How's it going, Gloria? Come on, Grandma. Let's go, baby. Come on.
Are your hands?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Left. Right.
Got
a stethoscope.
The
A thermometer is in here. And everybody made it. We made it.
Oh my gosh.
Always gotta be prepared.
So, in Beehive, we at the top, baby. We on top of the world.
Your ass.
Huh?
Sit on, not the ice.
Yeah, don't sit on your ass, bro.
There's a stone on my bag.
Alright guys, as you can see, it's snowing. It's snowing, yeah. We made it to the bottom. Say hi guys. Hey, 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 oh shit, that was interesting, especially coming down. I'm wearing EPT, no grip. Your girl was sliding. It's a struggle. But I mean, guys, would I do this again? Definitely. With better shoes though. Yeah, we drove to Bar to get some food. So this is the east one. I'm just gonna get some food. In this bitch. It's a struggle. The elevator is not working. I gotta use the stairs. Another leg work. Can you imagine? Look at the view though. The view. The view. Yep. It's so bad on here. See the view. Look at the views. Views. I know my outfit is questionable because I had to change. I couldn't hike with this because ventilation, baby. So I had to double the bitch. "2020, I'm gonna have 6-pack." Alright guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming to my channel. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and please, when hiking, wear proper shoes. And I'll be coming with more content from spring and also another irrelevant content to hiking. But yeah, see ya.